Alright class, now we are going to chapter 3, which is differentiation. Okay, I'm going to explain a basic differentiation to find dy dx. Okay, so the first one, okay, when y equals to c, okay, c is constant, that means any numbers, okay, constant number, okay, any numbers, okay, when you differentiate y with respect to x, okay, you will get 0. For example, when y equals to 100, then you differentiate y with respect to x. Apa maksud with respect to x? Maksudnya y equals to 100x. That means ada variable x dekat sini. But now dia tak ada x, dia tak ada variable x. Okay, so differentiate 100, you will get 0. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, when you differentiate y, when y equals to cx, okay, when y equals to cx, differentiate y with respect to x. Sekarang dia ada variable x, so bila differentiate cx, okay, you will get c, just a number, okay, bila ada satu variable x. For example, when y equals to 10x, then differentiate y with respect to x, you will get 10. Okay, this is number 2. Number 3, when y equals to x power n, okay, x power n, differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, n power n ni awak bawa ke depan, okay, bring in front, n times x, and then power n ni you have to minus 1. Okay, n ni awak bawa ke depan, okay, jadi n times x. Okay, and then power n asal dia minus dengan 1. Okay, for example, when y equals to x power 9, and then differentiate y with respect to x. So 9 bring in front, okay, bawa ke depan, 9x, and then power 9 ni awak minus dengan 1, minus 1. Right, so the answer would be 9x power 8. Okay, number 4, when y, yang ni saya explain ni based on saya punya question. Okay, awak cuba faham dulu macam mana nak differentiate. Okay, so when y equals to ax power n, okay, differentiate y with respect to x, it is equal, okay, n ni awak bawa ke depan, okay, awak bawa ke depan, n ni bring in front, so n times a x, and then power ni n would be minus 1. Okay, for example, when y equals to 3x power 7, so differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, so 7 awak bring in front, so 7 times 3, and then x, 7 minus 1. Okay, so 7 times 3 you get 21, x, 7 minus 1 you get 6. So this is the answer. Alright, boleh faham nah konsep basic differentiation ni? Okay, so kalau tengok pada notes awak, okay, look at 1.2, okay, page 7. Okay, example 1.2 tu, so d dx c, okay, d dx c, okay, d dx c, that means differentiate with constant, okay, any numbers you will get 0. Okay, so kalau tengok pada example 1.2 tu, saya akan tunjuk yang just a bit question. Okay, dx, yang first soalan tu, dx 2. So 2 ni constant, okay, number. Okay, bila differentiate, you will get 0. Okay, and then dx negative 3. Okay, also negative 3 is a number. Okay, dia tak ada variable x. So differentiate negative 3, you will get 0. Okay, ataupun dx sin theta. Dia tak ada variable x. Okay, so differentiate sin, you will get 0 also. Okay, ataupun dx pi. Okay, tak ada variable x. Okay, so the answer is 0. Alright, so this is for example 1.2. Okay, look at example 1.3. Okay, example 1.3 tu, first soalan, dx x power 5. Okay, now we have variable x. So, macam mana nak differentiate? Yang power ni bawa ke depan. Okay, yang power ni bawa ke depan. So, it will be 5x. And then, power ni akan minus 1. 5 minus 1. You will get 5x power 4. This is the answer. Okay. For question number 2, dx square root x. Okay, square root x. So, how to differentiate? Square root x ni, okay, square root x, it is equal x 1 over 2. Okay, x power 1 over 2. Okay, so, nak differentiate square root ni, you have to change, okay, you have to convert into power. That means x 1 over 2 first. Okay, and then, barulah awak boleh differentiate. How to differentiate? 1 over 2 ni, power ni awak bring in front. So, it will be 1 over 2 x. And then 1 over 2 minus 1. So, 1 over 2 minus 1, you will get negative 1 over 2. That means 1 over 2 x negative 1 over 2. But, kalau dalam jawapan, okay, kita tak nak power ni dalam negatif. Sekarang ni, power ni dalam negatif. Okay, negative 1 over 2. So, you have to make in positive value. Macam ni nak jadikan dia positif, awak kena bawa turun bawah. Okay, 1 over 2x 1 over 2. Or 1 over 2 square root x. Same answer. Okay, boleh faham nah? This is for question 2. Question 3. dx 1 over x power 2. Okay, 1 over x power 2. Then, bila konsep division, okay, bila konsep division, yang kat bawah ni awak kena bawa naik atas. Okay, nak differentiate yang dalam dekat bahagian pembagian ni, okay, division ni awak kena bawa naik atas first. Okay, so it will be dx x negative 2. Okay, bila bawa naik atas, power ni akan jadi negatif. Okay, so differentiate x negative 2. Negative 2 ni, power ni bring in front. So negative 2 times x and then negative 2 minus 1. So it will be negative 2 x, negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. So, power dia dalam negatif. So, awak kena bawa turun bawah. Okay, jadikan dia positif. So, negative 2 over x power 3. This is the answer. Alright? You faham nah? Okay, look at example 1.4. Okay, example 1.4. Okay, example 1.4 tu. Okay, d dx. Okay, same, sama juga macam tadi saya tunjuk. Okay, d dx 4x power 5. Question number 1. Okay, yang A tu. Example 1.4 A. So, how to differentiate? 5, okay, power 5 ni bawa ke depan. Okay, it will be 5 times 4 x 5 minus 1. So, it will be 5 times 4, you get 20. X, 5 minus 1, you get 4. So, this is the answer, 20 x power 4. Okay. And then for B, d dx, okay, 2 over x. How to differentiate? Okay, bila ada konsep division, bawa naik atas. Okay, konsep division ni, for variable x, awak kena bawa naik atas. Okay. So, d dx 2x negative 1. Why negative 1? Because x, okay, x it is power 1. Okay, x it is power 1. So, bawa naik atas dia akan jadi negative 1. Okay. And then differentiate. 2, negative 1. Okay, power negative 1 ni bring in front. Negative 1 times 2. Okay. X and negative 1 minus 1. So, negative 1 times 2, negative 2. X, negative 1 minus 1, you get negative 2. Okay, so power ni dalam negative. So, make it in positive value. So, negative 2 over x power 2. Okay, bawa turun bawah. Okay, nak jadikan positif, bawa turun bawah balik. Jadikan dia division. Alright? Okay, faham nah? And then, look at the notes kat bawah dia tu. Okay, derivatives of transcendental functions. Okay, so yang ni konsep division, konsep differentiation yang awak kena ingat. Okay, ada konsep differentiation yang awak kena ingat. That means when you differentiate exponent power x, it will give us exponent x also. Okay, when you differentiate d dx ln x, it will give us 1 over x. Okay, differentiate ln x, it will the answer is 1 over x. When you differentiate d dx, when you differentiate sin x, the answer is cos x. When you differentiate cos x, the answer is negative sin x. So this is differentiation concept yang awak kena ingat. Okay, kalau differentiate exponent x, the answer is exponent x. Differentiate ln x, the answer is 1 over x. Awak kena ingat ini Differentiate sin x equals to cos x. Differentiate cos x equals to negative sin x. Okay. Boleh faham nah?